everyone, thanks for being here with me today. Hope you're all well. So my name is Nikki and this is my art channel. So thank you for all the messages of concern on my last video. It was only the side effects from the booster, but it really hit me for six. I felt really rotten with it, so goodness only knows what the real thing's like. Woo. Wouldn't want that again. So the colours I'm using today, this is a Papermill pigment in diamond. You can only buy them in Australia, Papermill, but most brands do diamondy pigments. Basically it's just sort of an off-white, very glittery pigment. So yeah, you can find it in the other brands. I've used, this is TLP Latte. It's out on the 15th and 16th of January, one of the new colours in the new range, and it is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's the sort of colour that will pair with everything. It does look a little bit more gold than it is in reality under my lights. It's kind of like a beigey colour, but it's very, very shimmery. It's just gorgeous. As I say, it will go with everything. And I've used Southern Ocean Blue is on now, Matisse, Jo Sonja Aqua was the first one I put down, Mermaid, TLP Mermaid, and TLP Galaxy as well. So 3 TLP pigments in this one, so there'll be lots of lovely shimmer. And I'm swiping with 3 colours: Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold, Atelier Titanium White with just a blob of Atelier Pale Gold in, just to take off the starkness of the white, so it just warms it up a little bit, kind of like a warm white colour. And also Amsterdam Lamp Black, all mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I'll let you watch and I'll come back to you at the end.
The stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Undressed when it's cold, and don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright, yeah. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet when the snow is on the ground. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's cold, yeah. This town is quiet. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright, yeah. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here. Things get complicated, but I know we'll be alright, yeah. You will tell me I'm wrong, but I know we are strong. Sadness, I can see the moon. I know that I'll be fine here.
Thanks for sticking around and watching it. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. It really helps my channel out. It's free to you, and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video, and share wherever you want to. And yeah, so everybody take care, and I'll see you all soon. See you all in the next one. Stay safe, take care, see you.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet.